Hey guys, in this video, let's see how to convert the long form video into multiple shots using one tool called Opus Clip. I never used it before guys, but this is the first time I'm trying. Let's see how it's going to work. And there is a free trial is also available. I'll walk you through everything in this video. So let's start. Alright, this is how the interface is going to looks like. So one long video, 10 viral clips, create 10x faster, fine. When it comes to the pricing section, if you switch to monthly plan, this is what they are offering, and you can customize the plan as well if in case you want more minutes, more credits. Here they mentioned 300 credits for 29 USD per month. That will be like, okay, 300 minutes is available. If I do a simple math, like let's say your video is 10 minutes long, so 300 divided by 10 is equals to 30 videos you can process if it's 10 minutes long. Let's see how it's going to work. Previously I uploaded the Instagram automation tool video on this channel, so let's see how it's going to work. And by the way, we will check the file size as well, because what I observed is for some tools, if file size is longer, let's say 2 GB, 3 GB, they won't support. So this is like 3.53 GB. Let's drag and drop it there. Oh, sorry, we cannot. We need to click on upload files. Okay, first it is asking the login. Perfect. I created an account. This pop-up is shown. 10 free credits valid for 7 days. So I think 10 free credits is equals to 10 minutes of video processing. No credit card required, full range of features. Then I'm clicking on start clipping. And yeah, here you will see the credits section. Only 10 minutes are available. So I click on upload. Oh wait, a pop-up is shown here. So videos to 30 GB, maximum duration of 10 hours we can upload. I started uploading the video guys. So let's see how it is going to work and how well it is going to trim out the clips. If it does the heavy lifting of your work, let's say you are converting long form videos to short form videos, and it is taking, let's say, like 2 hours or 3 hours every single day for multiple channels. If it does almost 90% of the job, then it's very easy for you to post more and more reels on your Instagram or YouTube. Also below we get some more options. AI captions is there, video editor is also they added, enhanced speech, AI reframe, AI b-roll, AI hook also they added. Wow. On the left there are some more options, home, brand templates. Okay, we can create some templates as well in this one, which is cool. Calendar, social accounts, subscriptions. Okay, do note that this is not a promotional video. I'm just looking at different options that are available online for converting long form videos to short form and found this tool, and I'm checking and sharing my personal opinion, personal perspective about this one. All right, uploading is done 100%. Okay, 4K, perfect. Here speech language auto, but it is in English actually, so I'm making it as English. If you see, some more languages are available here. When it comes to India specifically, Hindi is not there. Okay. So these are the languages that are available. Even if you want to translate, only English translation is available. Okay, so first thing I noticed is very limited language options. For English language, it's completely fine. And if you observe here, it is showing how many credits we are going to use for this. Since it is almost like 8 minutes video, that's why we used 8 credits. This is like the subtitle file. If in case you have, you can upload it. Then clip model, I'm making this auto only. Let's see how it will be. Genre is no option. Okay. Clip length, we can select less than 30 seconds, 30 to 59. Okay. I'm making this auto only. And next thing is specific movements. Let's say you are showcasing some interesting thing in your video. So on that particular moment, if you want to cut that as a reel, you can give a prompt here. Then even you can change the clipping time frame so that it will be find within that range. Below that we get some captions template. So cool, These are all new. Fine, so many are there. I'll go with the this one, pop line looking good. Think media is also good. Then is aspect ratio. Let's go with 1:1 this time. Yeah, 1:1. Then okay, get clips one click. That's it. We'll wait and see how well the clips are going to be generated. Also, it is showing the estimated time as well, 5 minutes it is taking, and the percentage also you can observe. Also, they are giving the cloud storage of 100 GB, which is very good, so that you don't need to fetch the previous projects again and again, so it will be saved and you can use it in future also. One more thing, I already started using the cloud as well for my daily workflow. I'll upload that video as well, how it's going to work, and soon I'm going to shift from free plan to the pro plan that cost $20 per month. I'll talk about that in the coming videos, how it's working and how it is going to work for my everyday workflow. Alright guys, the processing is completed, and once it is completed it looks like this. And one more thing I observed here is, since it is a free plan, it is going to be expired after 6 days. So now if I click on it, and boom, these are the clips it generated in 1:1 format, and it also gave a virality score. This is very good. So almost all are above 80. So for me, if you ask if the virality score is less than 70, don't post that videos. More than 70, you try it. So mostly if your scripting is good, hooks and everything are good, then almost every video you upload and you make the shorts are above 80. All right, let's see. This is like 19 seconds. This is 35. And if I play the video,
in case you're paying monthly subscription amount for the Instagram automation. In case you are paying monthly subscription amount for the Instagram automation tool, then you need to stop after watching this video, because Facebook released the auto reply to the comments feature for the Instagram as well. So in this video, you are going to see the complete tutorial how to set up this, and there are some problems as well on this one. So I'll tell everything in this video. If in case you are paying monthly subscription.
Perfect. And also, as you can see, you can publish on social media, export XML file for Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. Even 4K resolution is also supported. Edit also you can do, enhance speech. If I click on it, if I make it as 9:16, does it work? I mean, after processing it, let's see. Yeah, it is updated. So it is processing now. I'll go back to the 1:1 ratio, or even 16:9 is also pretty good.
In case you're.
So if I click on export XML, we need to upgrade to remove the watermark. If I click on continue, oh my god,
Paying monthly subscription amount for the Instagram automation tool, then you need to.
As you can see here on the left side, it is showing this option created with Opus. It is working pretty good, guys. The good thing here is they also gave the title for this thing, which is very good. So whether I recommend this, yes, if you want to make a lot of short form content for the long videos, but subscription is very must, and without that this watermark and everything won't go away. So yeah, it's a very good tool if you want to convert long form videos to shorts.